cooker braised rice is a popular healthy lazy recipe now. Not only less oil and healthier, but also tastes very good.
Yes, today let's make romantic purple cabbage braised rice together. The method is too simple, must save the recipe. Ingredients: purple cabbage, rice, corn kernels, vegan tofu, carrot. Peel and diced carrot, then set aside. Wash and cut purple cabbage into thin strips. Wash the raw rice and pour it into the rice cooker with all the ingredients. Add an appropriate amount of water and start cooking. Seasoning only requires simply adding salt and pepper. Can also add mushroom powder according to personal preference. For the water amount, 1 cup of rice requires a little more than 1 cup of water. Since the ingredients will absorb water, you can add a bit more water. I personally prefer adding just a little extra water. If the rice is still undercooked after cooking, it's okay, just add some water, mix well, and cook a bit longer until fully done. Undercooked rice can be fixed, but if you add too much water and the rice becomes mushy, then it's beyond repair, right? Pour a little sesame oil into the cooked braised rice, mix it well, and it's ready to eat. It smells really fragrant. The color of the cooked purple cabbage braised rice is so beautiful. After plating, you can happily enjoy it. The moment you lift the lid, a sweet, steamy aroma blending the sea and the field hits you. The romantic purple hue from the cabbage has tinted every grain of rice. The tofu pieces, having soaked up all the broth, turn golden and tender, while the carrot dices sparkle like little gems throughout. The most captivating part is the distinct flavor of the plant-based seafood. It carries a deep, savory umami without any fishy taste, merging perfectly with the fragrance of the rice. The first spoonful reveals incredibly rich layers of texture. You experience the soft, pleasantly chewy rice, followed by the smooth tenderness of the tofu and the meaty thickness of the shiitake mushrooms. The plant-based seafood offers a satisfying, slightly resilient bite, punctuated by the occasional crisp freshness of the carrots. A subtle kick of pepper brilliantly brightens the entire flavor profile, making the natural taste of each ingredient stand out even more. After swallowing, the mellow fragrance of sesame oil and a faint, lingering sweetness remain in your mouth. This rice is warm and deeply satisfying, flavorful yet light and not greasy. Every bite feels like a symphony where purple romance meets the essence of the land and sea. It's more than just a main course. It's like a carefully crafted piece of art, a pure delight for both the eyes and the palate. First, purple cabbage is a powerhouse of anthocyanins. These are powerful antioxidants that help our bodies fight oxidative stress, which is great for our internal health. Plus, they are particularly beneficial for both brain and heart health. Secondly, it's rich in vitamin C. This not only helps boost our immune system to keep us from getting sick, but it also promotes skin health by aiding in collagen production, helping us look more youthful. Third, purple cabbage is an excellent source of dietary fiber. This is great for supporting our digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements, and it helps increase the feeling of fullness, which is very helpful for weight management. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.